Hi everyone, welcome to Alchemist. Today we are taking you to our innovation facility where all the experiments, prototyping happens and where all the imaginations and designs come to reality. Ranging from large-scale robotic 3D printing to small-scale 3D printing, this is where everything happens. Let me take you through. Our warehouse is divided into different specialized zones ranging from large-scale robotic 3D printing used for polymer printing, resin printing area, clay printing area, and small scale to medium scale polymer printing areas. This is the most crucial part of our facility. This is a large scale robotic manipulator which is adapted for our large scale 3D printing process. So this is our resin printing section where we do prototyping and of course small scale resin prints which are much more detailed. As you can see on the table, these are few of the samples of the prints we did for our products and projects. This is our mid-scale 3D printer, specially upgraded to fit our needs. This is mainly used to bridge the gap between the small scale and the large scale printing. And we use it for printing our small scale customized furnitures, large scale light fittings, and prototyping. Right now it's going through major upgrades. We're shifting from filament extrusions to pallet extrusions, but you can see some of the motions it does. This is our clay printing section where we experiment our designs with the clay. It's kind of merging the digital precision with the earthy materials. Clay behaves differently as compared to polymer. It sags, it shrinks, and it cracks, and needs the right consistency of water to clay ratio. So that's what we do. We are blending the digital process with the earthy material, that is clay over here. These are some of our small scale 3D printer. These are pretty fast and reliable. We use them for small scale prototyping and product printing. So all these small scale products what you see here are all being prototyped and printed on the small scale printers what I showed earlier.